If you're looking for a bread recipe that doesn't request any starter, any kneading, any special equipment or skills, then this is a video to watch for you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time, and thank you everybody watching this video. Today I prepared this beautiful bread. I'm not a bread maker on regular basis, but this is a recipe that's very reliable. That's why I'm sharing it with you, because you can be a complete beginner and it's gonna work out for you. This bread is delicious, it's super easy, and you have to try it. If you're interested how to make it, continue watching, and thank you in advance. So prepare a bowl and put 500 grams of bread flour, and this is the one I'm using. Make a little dip right in the center. Spread 20 grams of fresh yeast and put about 50 milliliters of lukewarm water. Now mix it a little bit. And now let it sit for 15 minutes in a warm place, covered with a plastic wrap. And you can put it on top of a radiator or some sunny spot in your house. After 15 minutes, you can see that the yeast risen nicely. And now we're going to add the remaining ingredients. So add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds, and it can be either whole or ground. And add 300 to 350 milliliters of water. Just remember that every flour is a little bit different and absorbs water differently. So start with maybe 300 milliliters and keep adding more. But I added exactly 350 milliliters. And mix everything into a compact dough. When the dough is compact but still sticky, cover it with the kitchen roll again. And now let it proof in a warm place for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, mix the dough again. Cover with the plastic wrap again and let it sit for another 30 minutes. And in 15 minutes, start preheating the oven and set it to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. And when you're close to the end of the second 30-minute timer, prepare a big tray and line it with the parchment paper. Now just place the dough on top of the tray. Just using a spatula, slowly release it from the bottom of the bowl. So spread it on and put it into the oven. And first bake on 480 for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, we're going to decrease to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 30 to 35 minutes. So I decided to bake the bread for additional 35 minutes. And now I'm just going to transfer it onto a rack. This is a lovely, lovely crust. Let me just show you from the bottom. And let it cool down. So this is my easy bread recipe. I really hope you're gonna try it. You will not be disappointed. If you do, please let me know in the comment section how it worked out for you. And thank you so much. See you at the next one.